Good morning, little explorers.
Come on, my little ones, time to stretch.
Mom, are we going on an adventure today?
Of course, but remember, adventures need bravery.
Time for an adventure!
Hey, let's go!
All right, team, follow me.
Wow, so many butterflies! And look at all the flowers!
This is the best adventure ever.
Mom, look what I found!
Oh, a shiny compass! Great find!
Wow, it's so
Interesting, maybe it leads to something special.
Really, Mom?
Yes, let's follow the compass.
Yay! Let's go! Mom, did you hear that sound?
Yeah, something's moving in the bushes. Stay close to me, little ones.
Mom, something's in the bushes.
I think it's watching us. Stay behind me, all three of you.
Mom, that cat looks really scary.
Well, looks like I found some tiny explorers.
Leave my kids alone.
Looks like these little explorers are lost.
When I say run, run to that big tree.
You can't protect them forever.
Watch me.
Like and subscribe, everyone! If this video gets 10,000 views, the next part will come out, okay?